Okay, for speed. Speed is a common rate used in a wide variety of applications. Average speed is equal to distance travelled divided by time. Let me just write time on the bottom here. The common formula is S equals D over T. The speedometer in a car is one measure of speed, and you'll be used to seeing 50 kilometres per hour. So 50 is the quantity, kilometres per hour is the unit. So in 1 hour, we'd expect to travel 50 kilometres. 1 hour, 50 kilometres. And that's a speed. So here's an example of a problem. A cyclist travels 140 kilometres in 5 hours. Calculate his average speed. Well, we have a formula for calculating average speed. It's distance over time. We know he travelled 140 kilometres in 5 hours. And if we divide those, we get 28 kilometres in 1 hour. Now we can do that as a simple rates problem. 140 per 5 hours. How many per 1 hour? Well, we would, if I get my little pen here. Oh, my pen stopped working. It's a bit unfortunate. 5 to 1, we'd divide this side by 5, so we'd have to divide that side as well. And that would give us 140 divided by 5, which is still 28 kilometres per hour. Now, if we're looking at rearranging the formula so that we can't just find out speed, we could also find out distance and time. We can do some algebraic manipulation. With this, if I multiply both sides by t, I end up with this expression, and that would be distance equals speed times time. So if I want to know the distance and I know the speed and the time, it's quite easy, just multiply them together. And there it is written here. Now, if I wanted the time and I was given the distance and the speed, I could multiply both sides by time, which would give me this, and then divide both sides by speed, which would give me this. And then if I have a distance and divide that by the speed, it'll give me how long it took. So here's an example. Find the time taken for a hiker walking at 4 kilometres an hour for 15 kilometres. The first thing we need to do is to identify what it is that we have. This here is the speed. This here is the distance. We could write those down as I did over here. Then I substituted this into the formula, multiplied both sides by t, divided both sides by 4, ended up with this expression here, evaluated 15 divided by 4 and got 3.75 hours. Once you've had a good look at this, open up to exercise, I have the exercise this time, 6H, and have a go. The answers are also there for you to check when you're finished. If you have any questions, stick them in the discussion online. Thank you.